right, so my name is Latay. I am one of the hygienists here at American Dental Care, and I'm just going to talk to you today about how to care for your child when they get their first teeth. So typically kids get their first teeth around the age of 6 months. Some kids can be later, some can be earlier. But when your kids first get the teeth in, you're going to want to make sure that you're brushing them and keeping them clean. So a good way to brush the kids' teeth when they're younger is actually just a washcloth. So when they get those first teeth in, you just want to take a washcloth, wet it, and just kind of rub the teeth and massage the gums a little bit. Once they get a little bit older, then you can incorporate a toothbrush, like around the age of 1. The best thing to do is to have 2 toothbrushes, one to give to the child and then one for the parent. So then you give the toothbrush to the child and let them kind of use the toothbrush so they kind of get used to it and aren't afraid of the toothbrush. And then you don't want to use fluoride toothpaste until the child can actually spit the fluoride toothpaste out, because we don't want them swallowing it. So just make sure that when you're buying the toothpaste that you're using for them, until they get to that age where they can spit the toothpaste out, which is typically like around the age of 3 or 4, then you want to use no fluoride in the toothpaste. You want to bring them in to see us at the dentist as soon as they get that first tooth in. Now, if they're getting the tooth in at 6 months, it's not necessarily like I have to get them in there at that point in time, but I would say definitely by the age of 1, if they have teeth in, to bring them in and let us check them out. It's not necessarily that anything's going to be wrong with them, but it's just to get them in here, get them used to what a dental visit would be like, because if you catch it while they're earlier, they're less likely to become afraid of the dentist. And with teething, so as the teeth come in, the best thing to actually give a kid to chew on when they're teething is, again, a washcloth. You don't want to necessarily, I know they have the teething things that you can put fruits and things in, but that's actually not really a good idea, because a lot of fruits are high in sugar content and you don't want them to just be chewing on that all day. So the best thing, again, to give them, or those little, they have the little chewers that you can put in the refrigerator, you can use those as well. But that's it for today.